everyone, in this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create a glass invisible text animation inside of CapCut. Let's use this video as an example. To start, drag and drop it into the timeline. Navigate to the text section and add the default text. Input your desired text and customize the text style. Scroll down to the glow and shadow settings. Adjust the glow intensity to 30 and range to 90. These adjustments will enhance visibility while maintaining an elegant look. Now head over to the animation section under the In category. Apply a fade in animation and adjust the duration as needed. Next, let's create the glass effect. Right-click on the text layer and select Make Compound Clip. Navigate to the blend settings and change the blend mode to overlay to achieve the glass effect. And there you have it. Your glass invisible text is now ready. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.